Nearly anyone can answer the question, what is the DEA? But very little people can answer the question you'll be able to answer by the end of this video. What is the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service? I'm Nicholas, and this is the Law Enforcement Agency Information Channel. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, or APHIS for short, is a civilian staffed investigative United States federal law enforcement agency that falls under the Department of Agriculture, or USDA for short. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service is responsible for investigating federal animal and plant health related crimes. Um, they enforce multiple federal statutes, including the Animal Welfare Act, the Horse Protection Act, the Animal Health Protection Act, the Plant Protection Act, the Federal Seed Act, and the Lassie Act. Specific duties of the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service include um, inspecting animals and plants at federally regulated research centers, investigating federal animal and plant health related crimes such as agroterrorism, and much more. All Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service employees have authority to make arrests. Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service employees may also carry firearms as long as they are either a part of the animal the wildlife services program of the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, or have authority to do so from the administrator of the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, or the Secretary of Agriculture. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service has jurisdiction throughout the United States and its individual territories to investigate federal animal and plant health related crimes. They derive their jurisdiction and authority from Title VII of the U.S. Code. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service reports to the Secretary of Agriculture, who reports to the President of the United States. Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service employees train at the Federal Law Enforcement Training Center in Glencoe, Georgia, for approximately 8 to 10 weeks, which is considerably a lower duration of training time compared to most federal law enforcement agencies. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service works with multiple agencies. It is known for uh, uh, its most frequent collaboration with the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, whom it also often shares concurrent jurisdiction with. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service is broken down into programs, in which there is the Investigative and Enforcement Services Program, the Wildlife Services Program, the Veterinary Services Program, the Plant Protection and Quarantine Program, the Biotechnology Regulatory Program, the International Services Program, and multiple others. The Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service is headquartered in Riverdale, Maryland, which is just outside the capital / Washington, D.C. area. They are literally located throughout the United States with a field office in nearly every single U.S. state and territory. Now, I'm not going to list them all out because I'm guessing you already know your 50 nifty U.S. states and 5 territories from kindergarten.